So it is official that OnePlus is launching a new flagship with 8 Plus Gen 1 powerful SoC. OnePlus said Qualcomm 7 did confirm that they are launching a new flagship really soon with this TSMC-based chipset, and the launcher set for Q3 this year, likely July-August. Shocking news coming in from Max. He says OnePlus may call this device as OnePlus 10T 5G. Here he says it is the final naming and it is the only flagship phone coming this year, and yes, it is better than the OnePlus 10 Pro. So the only sane explanation to this last-minute change is the OnePlus 10 Ultra or OnePlus 10 Pro Plus is coming as the OnePlus 10T. Here is the official patent sketches by OnePlus, and can see OnePluses using a periscope lens, and the design is similar to the OnePlus 10 Pro. Some sketches by DCS and Jason from Weibo suggests it is gonna look like this, so I'm not sure about the naming, but the flagship devices for sure coming. Some interesting news coming in from DCS is saying that ColorOS May 13th launch alongside OnePlus and Realme flagship. So I guess like last year OnePlus may ship this 20 device with ColorOS 13 out of the box. DCS on Weibo says that the super flagship from Oppo and OnePlus are testing Sony IMX866. So you may see this sensor if all goes right. Some news on OnePlus Ace Racing Edition. This device just went official in China, and it is coming as OnePlus Channel Lite in India and Europe. These specifications are mediocre, like IPS LCD display, plastic body, 5000 mAh battery, and Diamond City 8100 Max silicon, so it is the cheapest 10 series device. Finally, huge news coming in on Oxygen OS 13. We may see the OS 13 soon, as OnePlus is now asking users about the experience on Oxygen OS and what changes they would love to see in the next OS. This latest survey from OnePlus shows that they know about the issues of Oxygen OS 12, and they officially said that they are working with Google on OS 13. So I hope we see Pixel OS-like features and not the boring OS 12-like UI in the S13. The ColorOS 13 is coming with Material UI, cons, and tablet-based CUI for large screen devices. So most likely we'll see same changes in the Oxygen OS 13 as well. This all, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Your thoughts in the comment section below, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Like, subscribe, and peace out.